Advantage from quality assurance engineering. There are the few advantage. First advantage is the fewer defects, less scrap, fewer complaints, less inspection rejects, better quality, higher efficiency, higher productivity, and good customer relation. Advantages from quality assurance engineering are the fewer defects, less scrap, fewer complaints, less inspections, rejects, better quality, higher efficiency, higher productivity, and good customer relations. Then further, there are फील्ड कंप्लेंट. फील्ड कंप्लेंट की बात करते हैं तो यहाँ पर जो फील्ड कंप्लेंट्स हैं आर द कंप्लेंट्स जिसमें कि फ्रॉम द यूजर्स अबाउट द परफॉर्मेंस एंड other aspect of the products. It may be involves complaint of the user about the quality of the product, about the quality of the product, and returns, claims for refund. So the field complaints are the complaints from the users about the performance and other aspect of the product. It may be involves complaint of the users about the quality of products, return of goods, claim for refunds, claims for the compensation in the case of loss to the customer. And the further, the field complaint may also due to the wrong material, shortage, damage during transit, late delivery, accounting errors in bills etc. Each resolution complaints may be involve some of the all of the following problems. First is the restoration of service. In case it's interrupt by the temporary repairs, replacement of parts या whole units, etc. Then there are final adjustment. In the final adjustment, then financial adjustment if trouble is not due to the customer fault and the unit showed is a in guarantee period. Promote financial adjustment is necessary for the maintaining goods customer relationship. Third one is the restoration of customer goodwill. That means even with the service and financial adjustment, the product failure creates annoyance and irritates the customer. Positive efforts are necessary to smoothen relationship with the customer. Fixing of the responsibility. There are points is fixing of the responsibility, restoration of services, financial adjustment, restoration of customer goodwill, and prevention of the. Then the field complaint may also be due to the wrong material, shortage, damage during transit, late delivery, accounting errors in bills. Each quality complaint may be involve some of the all following problems. Is the first is the restoration of the service, second is the financial adjustment, third one is the restoration of customer goodwill, fixing of the responsibility, prevention of the recurrence, and further reporting. There are also what are reporting. In the reporting, there are if it consists of summarized reporting for executive review. And the further, the basic channel of communication between a company and its customer is through its sales department, and most complaints come through the come through this channel. However, there are the other sources, letter from stockholders, phone calls at various executive etc. And as the number of sources and complaints grow, it is necessary to adopt a procedure for investigating all complaints. And it is necessary to keep record of all the complaints and actions taken to eliminate them. An organization is needed to process these complaints. This helps to increase the reputation of the firm and good customer relationship. It should not be conduct that the picture of the field complaints represent fully the pictures of field trouble. There may be many customers who fails to complain, why may do more damage than customers who complain. Hence, the company should try other source for getting the correct picture. First is the written as a good without complaint order for spare parts. First is the written of the good without making complaints, and second is the order for the spare part. Through large order for spare parts is good source for earning. It indicates about the failure of the product resulting in expensive and anyone's of the customer, and the product which needs spare parts very often will be unable to complete against those who those which do not. Then further the record and the further is that the record of the customer lost. Complaint should be keep record for the customer who stopped buying and find out whether they stopped buying because of the quality factors. And the field complaints give the following information. First one is the quantitative assessment about the trend of complaints, status of importance of complaint. Such a number of services calls 1,000 units sold, and B is the value of claims paid related to the value of production.